I can't even see you. You're almost drowning. Okay, what is today? I have no idea. Today is Friday, February something. 27th. No, 6th. 26th. And this is day 2 of this storm. And obviously we got a heck of a lot more than we had yesterday, which I'm not thrilled about, but it's actually fun, so okay. It's all good. Dogs seem to like it. I'm stepping in spots that are seeming to be almost to my knees, so that's a lot of snow. It's also 7 o'clock in the morning, in case anybody cares, and I am the only one out here with the dogs, because I believe Brian is still in bed. I need to show the depth. I don't know how to do that. I need another person. Pretty though. Oh, you can look on the deck. I'm sorry, Spikes. Did you have the ball for me to throw and I wasn't paying attention? Wasn't very nice. I got it. Are you ready? There it goes. Sorry. Shaking up the camera. You can tell, you can't even see their legs. Well, Zeus has the longest legs, and they are quite varied. You got it! Good job, bud. Good job. Good job. Oh, tug of war. Oh, that's nice. I got it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Yay! Oh, I got it. Okay, ready? Oh! This time I threw it over there, they actually lost it. Swallowed up by the snow, never to be found again. All right, we're gonna work out. You are getting a workout. Hey, Zeus, salute. What are you hearing? I gotta finish making my pack. All right, we're gonna have a timeout for now. Goodbye.